I've got a question for you. What do you think the most valuable asset you have is? Is it your good looks? Look at this. Is it your house? Is it your money? No, it's none of those. It's actually your trust. It's the trust people have in you. And why is trust so important? Because studies have shown that companies with greater level of trust make more money. People who trust others have a speed of interaction. In fact, this is just a proxy for trust in the government. Trust is the most valuable asset you have. So, how do you gain more trust? That's the question here. So, I got a little math equation I'm going to show you on how you gain more trust. So you got trust over here, okay, is equal to the first one is credibility. All right. Now, most people think of credibility out of the gate because, credibility, those things, you're an expert. Think of a doctor. They've gone to school. They've been certified. They have a lot of credibility. Someone's been in the business for a long time. They have a lot of that credibility. And most people actually think this is all that's necessary in the equation, but it's not. You also need reliability, frequency, what people call it, right? Think of, again, that doctor example. That doctor, he's well studied, he never shows up, misses every appointment. You gonna trust him very much? No. You need to be around, you need to be present, you need to do what you say, you gotta have that reliability. There's one other element to trust, and that is also next, your intimacy, all right? So if you take your intimacy, that's that connection. It's how well they know it. A lot of times we think intimacy is, how much time you spend with someone over a long period. You're pretty intimate with your family, for instance, right? But most of us don't have that. So it's the reason sales guys will go into an office and, find something like, hey, I didn't know you went to that school. I went to that school as well. Remember the year in, 1998 and we won the championship? You're creating that connection. You're creating that intimacy. So that matters. So if you have intimacy and that reliability and credibility, you're going to have trust. But that's not it. You're going to take all of that, but you're going to divide it by something really important. How self-focused someone is, okay? And we all know that self-focused individual. That one that's always thinking about that with them, the what's in it for me, the one that talks about themselves, the one-upper. You're always thinking in the back of your head, and it hurts that level of trust. So, how do you gain the most important asset necessary? Become the master of your craft. Get that credibility necessary. Be the person that has that reliability, that frequency. Be present, do what you say, and make a personal connection. But most importantly, put others first. Think about others first. And usually when you do that, you get what you want. And now we know the answer.